What's up guys, today we have a Onewheel Pint and we are going to be doing a few things with it. We've got a new Burris Tire we're going to install, and along with that we're going to put some new bearings in it. So let's get into it. So first we're going to open this up and get the motor out. Okay. Got the motor out, so we're going to take out this rail, I think, because this is the motor cable. So. Nice. Now that's the motor. So just got this wire here. Okay, twist, a very hard twist, and it should deploy out easy. And we have a wheel out.
There we go. Oh, God.
There we go. Same thing, just the... Nice.
Okay, don't include that.
Alright guys, so we got a hydraulic press now, and we are going to use it to press the bearings. Probably an arbor press is better, but this just allows us to change out bearings on much larger motors, so you just got to be really careful about how much pressure you use. And you got to find the right disc to push it out from the outside. In there.
This is the right one. Yeah. Look at that. Sweet. Yeah, it's just gonna like snap down.
It's gonna
It's
lock
gonna,
up.
yeah.
All right, so we got the cover back on. We're just gonna put all the bolts back in now. I'll Loctite them, just to make sure they don't come out. Now we're gonna go change the tire. So to do that, I am going to let some air out. Let's go over to the tire changing machine and de-seat it. So we just like to put it right in here. This is going to de-seat the bead. So that. And then maybe do it to each side too. All right, so now we're gonna change the tire. To do that, we have to take this one off. If you look at the rim, one side has this little notch. There it is, this notch. You wanna get the bottom into that notch. And then the top, use a plastic tire spoon. Get that over, and then it's gonna push straight down. And the other side. Disgusting. Alien blood. Alright, so stop the notch up, in, 45-degree angle. Just kind of spin it in there. And then same, the other side. Come on. There we go. All right, got it on there. Now let's go seat the bead. So now we're gonna seat the bead. Use the air compressor for this usually. Catch that. Just inflate it. There's one. 75 PSI, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we're gonna slime up the tire now. So, tube of armadillos. We've already removed the stem core. Stick your tube on there. And just squeeze. All right. Just put the valve core back in. Close it off. Alright guys, so we got the new tire on there, we got the new bearings there, pretty cool tealish green color. We're gonna put it all back together now, so that's all we got for this episode. Thanks so much for stopping by. Subscribe for more repair videos. We'll see you all next time.